Hi guys, welcome to Yas Cars. Today we're gonna show you how to reset the windows on the Lexus Rx. It's actually same with the Toyota rav4s from 2017 on, and Lexus ES, IS, UX, all the models of Lexus and Toyotas. So what is it? The doors window, their own switch works, but the master switch doesn't work. All you need to do is to resetting them. How to reset them? First, make sure it's fully up. And then how to reset them? Both of the switches on the door and on the main switch in the driver door. You have to press them down for 5 seconds and then pull it up for another 5 seconds, and there you go, it's reset.